welcome back to Sean's Test Bench. Today we're starting another build. This is going to be my first water-cooled computer. I picked up this Cooler Master case. I went and purchased a Cooler Master power supply, a Cooler Master all-in-one water cooler for this. So we're going to go with MSI and Cooler Master on this build here. There's going to be some modifications to this case that need to be done for me to put the hardware in there the way I want it. There's going to have to be a window cut out of here. There's going to be 2 fans installed in the bottom. So without further ado, let's open this up and take a look at it. It's a standard micro ATX case. You have your typical 3.5-inch slots here for your card readers and floppy drives. 2 5.25 DVD openings, USB 2 ports, microphone, headphone, and power and reset. This comes with an opening for a 120mm fan, 2 120mm on the side, and a 120mm in the rear. But I'll show you what I have to do to this case for this build. First up, I need to put a window in the side of it. And if you notice, this is more of a budget case. It didn't come painted black interior. So I'll be masking it off and painting everything black inside and this back panel. I'm going to leave the powder coat on the case. It's new and it's perfect condition. There's no 120mm fan pre-installed in the front here, so I'm going to go ahead and install a 120mm fan. I went and bought a pack of 4 Cooler Master 120mm fans for this build. They're on their way now. I have a MSI micro ATX board for this, quad-core processor, 8 gigs of RAM, so on and so forth. I'm going to have to modify this cage up here. I don't like it. It's probably going to come out of here. I will be putting a DVD drive and the hard drives up in this top area, and if you've seen in my other builds, on the same plane as the power supply, I'm going to put a plate that will cover the wiring. I'll be installing 2 120mm fans in the bottom of this case, and they will be to blow direct air on the graphics card and fresh air into the case. I purchased a R9 270X graphics card for this build, so they run a little bit hot, so I want to keep good air on them. So I also got filters for that, 2 120mm for here, 120mm for the front, and I am going with an all-in-one water cooler for the CPU, which is going to exhaust here in the rear on this 120 location. Okay, that pretty much covers what I'm going to be doing to this case. So I'm going to take it out in the shop and start cutting it up. I'll get some B-roll footage of me modifying the case so that you can see it in the video. And then we'll go on to just assembling this computer in the next video. Thank you for watching Sean's Test Bench.